After her interview with a news channel that created ripples within Bollywood and brought Kangna compliments and criticism, the actor has given an interview to an entertainment portal where she reacted to the remarks and comments of her colleagues within the industry, many of whom she has criticized in her earlier interview. After an interview with a TV news channel that has won her both praise and censure, Kangna Ranaut has spoken to another entertainment portal responding to the various comments and social media posts shared by her colleagues in the industry, some of whom have reacted with anger and sarcasm to her allegations. What does Kangna feel about those who refuse to offer her support? Take a look.
I think कुछ लोग हैं जो obviously हेड़ा बन के पेड़ा खाते हैं.
During her TV interview, Kangna brought up the movie mafia again and questioned Karan Johar's role in the dismantling of Sushant Singh Rajput's career and her own alleged ill treatment by Mahesh Bhatt.
कितने अच्छे से पीछे से जाके वार करते हैं, सामने तो कुछ नहीं कहते, सामने गले लगाते हैं, आपको किस करते हैं और पीछे से जाके आपके लिए प्लॉटिंग प्लानिंग करते हैं.
The Panga star also called out her colleagues Swara Bhaskar and Taapsee Pannu and referred to them as B-grade actors who were living proofs of nepotism.
हम जो outsiders होते हैं, हम अगर चलते भी हैं, सांस भी लेते हैं ना, तो कुछ लोगों को दिक्कत होती है.
Taapsee, who responded via an interview, had described Kangna and her sister's behavior as harassment and accused them of undermining her achievements.
तो आपने क्या ये मेरे से पंचलाइन सुनने के लिए
यकीनन.
तो आपने क्या ये मेरे से पंचलाइन सुनने के लिए
यकीनन.
Swara has shared a post on social media sarcastically responding to Kangna's comments about her being B-grade, while Richa had called for unity at this difficult time when many in the industry have lost their jobs. Now Kangna has given another interview where she expressed her disappointment again with people within the film industry who choose to attack her instead of supporting what she believes is just a cause of fighting against nepotism.
जब कोई भी चीज़ कंगना रनौत की होती है ना, तो बहुत सारे लोगों को बहुत जगह प्रॉब्लम होती है.
Kangna, who has been speaking about issues like blind new articles, bullying and lobbying in the industry, and how a certain group of actors are favored over others, responded to the pot shots taken at her by her colleagues and said, "It is so sad. I don't know what to say because I have been in their place. When you talk about Swara Bhaskar, Taapsee Pannu or Richa Chadda, I understand they have bills to pay for their house. So I do understand where they are coming from and there are a lot of pressures. People are very bothered about their own personal gains." Responding to allegations that she was using the tragic demise of Sushant Singh Rajput to settle personal scores, Kangna replied, "What will I gain? I will not gain films for sure. I will not gain brand endorsements. I will not gain any money. The only thing I will gain is more enemies. So while I understand that others may not have my inclination to gain enemies, what I expect from them is just to give respect to other people's struggle." Kangna, whose comments against Taapsee Pannu, Swara Bhaskar and Richa Chadda were met with counter comments and allegations, has now defended herself and justified herself by saying that इनमें से किसी ने भी उनके struggle को और उनके problems को सच नहीं माना है. Taapsee said, "I've had weird experiences in life." Swara said that my claims of nepotism are fake. Richa says that people are not giving positive vibrations to the universe. Yes, of course, right now the last thing I want to give out is positive vibrations to the universe when we have lost the life of a very significant person. Accusing people of deliberately maligning Sushant Singh Rajput and saying that she personally identifies with the actor's struggles, having battled these herself, Kangna said, "I do understand that people have families to take care of. People have their own personal ambitions, but just simply don't disregard or discredit another person's struggle. I'm only talking about Sushant and myself. Please stop having this big andolan against me just because you're not sidelined. Let's agree to disagree." Kangna, who has faced criticism from a lot of quarters on her comments, received unexpected support from veteran actor and TV show host Simi Garewal, who praised her for her courage and also spoke about how a Bollywood bigwig had almost destroyed her career. Looks like this debate and the anger that has ignited in the aftermath of Sushant's passing is proving to be a trigger for many within the industry, जिन्हें अपने करियर में मुश्किलों का सामना करना पड़ा है. हम यही उम्मीद कर सकते हैं कि लोग एक साथ आए और अपने प्रॉब्लम्स और ग्रीवेंसेस को शेयर करें. मे बी इससे एक नया वर्क कल्चर बनेगा जहां स्ट्रेस कम और एम्पैथी ज्यादा हो, so tragedies like these don't occur again.